Yo, what's up guys, and today's we'll be doing part 2. Hey guys, you're on video. This is gonna be part 2.
Wait, how did you get a camera?
Oh shoot! Okay guys. What the skibby was that?
No, I'm Amber playing.
Bro, what?
Amber cut me.
Okay bro, what the skibby was that? Bro, come on. Bro, this update's so scary. Okay, let's go over here. Hold on, mimic. I mean, not mimic. Oh god. Oh god, Jesus. Guys. Oh shit. Guys, who's gonna come to sewers? I mean, not sewers, to red light, green light. I think I just found like the whole layer of the mimics.
None of my wallet. I'm supposed to doing this update because I noticed a lot of pumpkins and.
Can you guys come down to red light, green light too? Because I'm scared.
Yo! I saw a secret in behind it! There's like a girl gravity place in a haunted
Where's haunted house?
How do I turn the camera on?
Oh, you have to do this. Look, you see this
What?
button? You see this button?
Yeah.
Hold it. You see like a white thing.
Oh, so if I take a picture of her, she leaves.
I don't know, bro. I was scared down there.
No,
Hey.
if you take a picture
Everyone
of her
follow
and
me.
then
Okay.
if you take a picture of her then sell that camera, it's worth more.
There's a gear. I found a gear.
I just took a picture of us.
Bro, I'm scared.
So sell the camera.
This update's like very scary.
When I see her? Yeah.
Guy is good.
Flashed her. Flashed her.
No, it's gonna track to it. It uses flash. Oh, guys, this is cool. What is this place?
It's an old lady's house. I'm taking a bullet with me.
Back.
That's a toilet paper.
You guys know you're on video. You guys know you're on video, right?
Guys, I got a free shotgun.
Guys, this is very scary. Do not go here alone.
Yeah, there's a free shotgun.
Say goodbye. I hear her. It sounds like we're running towards it.
Well, I just heard her.
Because we are. The key.
No.
There's a key. Oh, put the key in the beginning.
Somebody has the key. Somebody has the
Yeah,
key.
put the key in the beginning.
Oh my god.
I do. Go to the beginning. Go to the beginning.
Go, Taylor. Taylor, he has the key. He has the key, Taylor. I heard her.
I'm in.
Go to the beginning. Go to the beginning.
Open the door.
I was able to take a picture of her!
Wait.
I took a picture of her.
Let's see.
I'll get it.
What the hell?
No, I'm too heavy.
Where's the
I got
key?
it, boys. I got
I'm
it.
too heavy, bro. I can't get it.
had the key, then I died!
You died with the key?
Get
I'll
open
do
it.
this. Go.
Open it.
Do it. Get it, please. Woo. Where are these? Oh, toxic.
Jump down it.
The hell?
gravity, bro. Zero gravity.
Low gravity.
Guys,
Zero gravity cubes.
Oh wait.
Jesus Christ. Guys, where are you?
pick up cubes. Don't pick up those cubes. They kill you. They slowly kill you. And they make everything look weird for you. How do we kill them? What about... Don't die.
What do you want to a private lobby with me and check out?
Yo, what is this? Guys, what is this?
Don't buy it, it's a waste of money.
Floor is lava.
A complete waste of money.
In the very middle, there's a big hole.
Where do we
I'm
go?
regenerating health before
Follow
I
me,
go down there.
follow me, follow
There's
me.
a slight chance I might die. There's a slight chance that I could die. No, they won't. Never back down.
Never give up.
Never give up. That's Nick A30.
Where are you?
Whoa,
Get to the bridge.
Hey, block up there.
Block up
and then
there,
just
block
climb
up
up
there.
this. Gotta get back to the crystal.
The other zero gravity?
We gotta get back to the crystal. It's your boost.
Where's the crystal?
Is anyone in the second zero
Right there.
gravity?
Oh.
I am. Look up. Look.
What is this place?
Guys, I don't...
Buy one of these things. I feel like we have to go into that thing. Over here.
This is all
I
skip.
feel like we have to go into that thing.
What are you...
Bro, it's a Skibby universe. It's a Skibby universe.
I'm not sure.
I
Come
think
over
we have
here.
to go in that thing. I'm gonna go in. Oh,
Did that do any damage? How do you be smart?
When you go inside the giant portal thing, it sends you back home. Bro, that's so Skibby right now. Bro, you wanna see the?
let's go.
Do you wanna see the mimics
Go on, go back
army?
to the haunted mansion.
Me.
Me, I'm gonna go to the haunted mansion.
Wait, red,
I'm coming to-
red. I found a secret. Come back. Where are you?
Around the Rosie.
Oh, I got that exact type of song in my mind right now.
Hell.
Me.
All right.
Blue.
Well, I think that's just the noise.
Blue. I found like a sewer pipe that's broke. It's over there.
Okay, I don't care. I'm
stop.
getting in here.
Can someone
Turn me
help
up the
me?
camera, wait.
See monkey.
Nothing.
Wait.
You're so lucky, bro.
Ooh, you want it?
I almost got
I'll
a
take it.
attack. Where's everyone at?
Blue, where are you?
Already?
I have it. Okay, I'm here.
Bro, are you at the haunted mansion?
Wait, let's take a picture.
No, because of anglerfish.
Cheese.
Hey, where's the heart? It's past the fish.
Nothing.
Wait, can we take a picture of each other? I want to take a picture of each other.
Kind of.
Actually, I wonder, can we do that?
Let's try.
What'd you get?
Yeah, it does! It works! Yeah!
Can we do a selfie?
Picture!
Can we do a selfie with each other?
Wait, is the key already unlocked? No. I know how to get to it. My God. I already put a camera up here. And
Wait,
it
where's the
wasn't there.
haunted mouse at? Where's the haunted mouse?
Oh, Skibby.
The blueberry! Blueberry!
That's so Skibby.
I call him a blueberry because look,
He looks like a baby.
Like, actually, you have to go inside it.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Go inside it.
How do I get in? How do you get in?
How do I do that? How do I go in?
You need a key.
You gotta go in the haunted house
My
first.
pogo stick was on my back, bro.
Wait, can we have a selfie
both
with
sides.
everyone? Can we have a selfie with everyone for memory?
I don't think we can do that. What the hell's that sound? What
Help me!
I don't see it. No, let's go back. Let's go back.
This is so skippy.
Guys, we need to find the key.
Can someone help me? I'm at the beginning of the mansion.
What's...
There's lava. Be careful. Be careful. There's lava. There's lava.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you subscribe and check out these monkeys and bye bye.